Make a great choice today with 2015 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, heated seats, backup camera, driver airbag, cruise control, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, passenger airbag, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.